What up, family? Look what I got. Look what I got. Pulled this right here out the storage. My auntie got value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Full of information. And you know we're going to be going through it, finding some new people in our history to talk about. Traveling back to when we first moved into this country. Look, it's even right here talking about a black explorer in 1538 in Arizona. He said, I did not know that. Look, a black explorer discovered Arizona and New Mexico. Look, that's already history. Look at that. We just learned something. Hey, man, we finna come, man. Right now, we jamming outside, chilling. Be coming back to y'all later with some more information.
All right.